If you've ever worried about your privacy on Telegram, today's video is for you. I'll walk you through step by step how to hide your Telegram profile picture so only the people you're comfortable with, or even no one at all, will be able to see it. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to keep your profile photo protected on both Android and iPhone in 2025, making your Telegram experience that much safer and more private. Let's not waste time, grab your phone and let's get started together. First, you'll want to open the Telegram app. On iPhone, you'll find Settings as a little gear icon down at the bottom right of your screen. If you're on Android, tap those three horizontal lines in the top left to open the side menu, then just tap Settings. Sometimes the simplest steps are the most important, so double-check you're in the right spot before moving on. Now inside the Settings menu, scroll until you spot Privacy and Security. Go ahead and tap that. This section is like your control panel for all things personal, everything from who can see your last seen status all the way down to who gets to peek at your profile photo. It's important to know that what we set here really puts you in charge of your information, especially in a messaging app where your profile is often the first thing people notice. Next, tap on Profile Photos and Videos. This is where the magic happens. Think of this like a high-tech curtain. You decide who the curtain opens for. The first choices you'll see are Everybody, My Contacts, and Nobody. If you choose My Contacts, only people you've saved in your address book will be able to see your profile photo. This is great if you want to keep strangers and random group members from seeing your face or your favorite avatar, while still letting family and friends recognize you. If you want to go full stealth mode and hide your photo from absolutely everyone, select Nobody. Don't worry, this doesn't affect your messaging or other parts of Telegram, just the profile picture. Now maybe there's an exception or two you want to make. Perhaps you want to hide your photo from most people, but you want certain close friends to see it, or maybe there's someone in your contacts you prefer to block specifically. That's where the exceptions come in. You'll see options for Never Share With and Always Share With. For example, if you picked My Contacts but want to specifically block someone from seeing your picture, just add them to Never Share With. Or if you picked Nobody but there are 2 or 3 people you trust, add them to Always Share With and only those folks will see your photo. It's flexible, so take your time here and think about who you want to include or exclude. Another really neat feature Telegram added recently is the Set Public Photo option. This lets you pick a different generic image that shows up for everyone you haven't approved. It's perfect if you want to keep your real profile photo available to just a few people while everyone else sees, say, a cartoon, your favorite quote, or a skyline, whatever feels right to you. This way, you don't leave your profile blank, which can seem suspicious, but you don't have to overshare either. And that's it. Once you're happy with these settings, just back out and you're all set. You've now taken a solid step in controlling your privacy on Telegram, whether you're using Android or iPhone. Remember, the platform updates features now and then, so if you want to double-check any details or explore more security tips, it's always a good move to check out the official Telegram Privacy FAQ. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues. I always do my best to help out. And if you want more tips like this to keep your online life secure, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.